In this video, I'll show you how to create custom branding for your client portal in SuiteDash. If you're looking to make your client portal stand out, make it unique to your brand, and give it a professional touch, this quick explainer will guide you through the process. First things first, SuiteDash does offer a solid amount of customization, but if you're expecting it to be as versatile as platforms with a more design-focused approach, it can feel a bit rigid at times. That being said, let's dive into how you can still make it work for your branding needs. Now, the first thing you want to do is head into your SuiteDash dashboard and locate the client portal settings. Here's where you can customize your portal's look and feel. The platform allows you to change the portal's background colors, upload your logo, and adjust the theme to match your brand's colors. But keep in mind, the customization here is limited compared to other tools on the market. You won't have total design freedom, but it's enough to create a solid look for most businesses. Next, you'll want to focus on uploading your logo. Go to the Branding section and upload a high-quality version of your logo. SuiteDash allows for a simple logo upload in the header section of your portal. Just make sure your logo isn't too large or too small, otherwise it might not display properly, which can look unprofessional. The third thing you should do is customize the client dashboard. You can change the appearance by choosing from SuiteDash's preset layouts or tweaking the settings to better suit your needs. While you can make certain adjustments, the overall layout options are a bit limited. But don't worry, if you know what you're doing with CSS, you can make custom code changes, giving you more flexibility. The fourth thing to consider is custom pages. SuiteDash allows you to create custom pages within the client portal. This can be an excellent place to add welcome messages or company-specific content. However, while you can add your own text and images, you can't manipulate the layout too much, which might feel restrictive if you're looking for full control. One thing to note is that SuiteDash has an option to integrate with third-party tools to extend your branding abilities, but this comes with its own learning curve. The platform doesn't make it easy to integrate complex designs or web elements like some competitors do. The fifth thing is the use of custom domain names. SuiteDash allows you to connect your custom domain for a more professional look. This is crucial if you're trying to make your portal feel like an extension of your website rather than a third-party platform. Keep in mind, this feature is available only on higher tier plans, so it's something you'll want to be aware of before diving in. Now, after covering SuiteDash's custom branding capabilities, I want to give you an insider tip. While SuiteDash does a decent job with branding, it's not as customizable or as easy to work with as some other client portal tools. If your main goal is a fully branded experience with unlimited customization options, you might want to explore some alternatives. But before you go, let me offer something special. Through the link in the description, you can grab an exclusive and extended free trial of SuiteDash just for our viewers. But I also recommend checking out some powerful alternatives that offer better branding flexibility, and they also come with a free trial. These tools will help you get closer to that fully customized client portal experience, and you'll get access to the best free trials and exclusive benefits by signing up through our link. Make sure to check it out. Both SuiteDash and its alternatives have their strengths, but depending on your needs, there could be a better fit out there. So, don't forget to explore the options.